I'm telling you, people, something's going on over in Indiana. Told you that didn't look good. It did not look good. Indiana, be safe over there. Be safe, be safe, be safe. And that's more towards Ohio. So be safe over there in Indiana. Look at that. You can see it. Look at the line. When you see a line, that's a storm, dude. That's a freaking massive storm. You can even see it in this. If these clouds up here weren't up here, dude, it'd be freaking huge. It'd be massive. You would see it go, the plumes go all the way up there. But since it's cloudy, see, you can start to see them a little bit, see? You can see them from far away, see? That's what I told you. You can see it far away. Look, what is that? Is that a funnel over there? Dude, last time I filmed something like this, it was something like this. It split into two, and they said they had tornadoes. Indiana, be safe over there. I hope you're all right. I hope you're all right. It is not good. Not good weather. Wow. Oh, it might not be good for me. Hell, look. Hell, it might be coming my way. Look at this thing. I saw that last time and it wasn't a good thing. Clouds like that and over here, these bad Larrys are not a good thing. Because look at it. You can see the shelf of it. Look at the shelf. It goes. It's huge. Huge, people. That is a huge storm cloud. I can see it all from here. Let me move up a little bit. Oh, yeah, check this out, people. If I move up, it goes from here all the way down there. Holy crap. That's a huge system, people. And it feels nasty out here right now. Like it could do whatever it wants. It could start hailing. Dude, check this out. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now this is, I don't know. Gotta be around 11 or so now. AM. And that is not a good sky right there, people. Not a good, you can smell it. Something is gonna happen. And it's gonna be bad. Whew. Dang, you can smell it in the air. Look at this, people. Ooh. Look at it, it's gonna be pouring here in a few. Look at it. Whoa. Look at this line, dudes. Come on, camera. Look at that line of clouds. Ooh. Look at this. Look at that, people. Holy. Oh no, what is that? What is that over there? Oh, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Look at the line coming down from it right there. Look at it. See the line coming down? That doesn't look good either. None of that looks good. None of this looks good. Look, and you can start seeing them up here now. Wow, people. The witnesses as it's happening. Wow. Check this out. This is unreal over here, dude. Check this out, dudes. Come on, camera. Check that bad Larry's out. Look at this line it has. It goes all the way across here. Dude, this is crazy. And it goes all the way down there. And you got all this crap in here. I don't like those. Look. Like little funnel clouds. Dude, this is not good. It's really quiet. Dude, there's, oh wait, I hear a few birds, but it's, look at this, people. Hold on, part 2.